Hello COOLectors, welcome to COOLection TV. Today we're going to be taking a look at Buck Bearingly from Disney Pixar Cars 3. He's number 39 and is sponsored by Team Zeen. He replaced Ryan Shields in the Piston Cup Racing Series after the events of Cars 1. Buck has the same exact model as Brick Yardley. Brick is a 155 scale diecast made by Mattel with no paper stickers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more Disney Pixar Cars 3 reviews. Follow us on social media at COOLection TV. See Cars 3 in theaters June 16th. And you can collect these diecasts in stores on May 1st. I'm Henry Motorcoop and we'll see you next time.